Hello and welcome to Health Unlimited. This is a series where I'm making super healthy, delicious recipes that nobody can resist. And today I've got this yummy ragi upma recipe for you, which is made with ragi, that's a millet loaded with iron, loaded with minerals, loaded with fiber, antioxidants. It helps in weight loss. So for those of you who are looking at their weight and checking every day, this is for all those Weight Watchers. And of course, it's gluten free. So the people who are looking for a gluten free diet, do add this to your daily diet and see the difference. It's very good for your skin as well. It has immense health benefits. I'm going to teach you how to use this food of God in your daily diet. And we'll be making ragi upma. So for the ragi upma, I'm going to make it in clarified butter, yani ki desi ghee. And I'm going to temper it with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chilies, and lentils, and then loads of yummy vegetables. And after that, I'm going to add ragi to it. So whenever you're using ragi in your meal, just remember all millets need to be soaked overnight. And then in the morning, you can boil it and sieve the extra water, and this is how it looks. So you soak it overnight and in the morning you boil it, and it is delicious. The texture is quite like quinoa. So you can make this into salads as well. Just try it, you'd love it. So heat a pan, add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or desi ghee. Let it melt. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of chana dal and a teaspoon of urad dal. We have to fry it. This gives a nice texture to the upma once it's fried. And now I'm going to put this amazing curry leaves, really good for hair growth. So for those of you who have a hair fall problem, do include curry patta in your diet. It's magical. I'm going to add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, let it splutter a little bit. And once it's done that, we'll add onions, saute it a little bit, of salt that reduces the cooking time, a quick mix, and now it's time to add some vegetables. We just need to sweat the onions, and now we are going to add some yummy vegetables and add some minerals to our diet and add some nutrients to our diet. So I put beans, carrot, and peas along with green chili. I love the flavor of green chili in upma, especially in this one. A quick mix. Now to this I'm going to add suji or semolina, and I'm going to roast it. Just half a cup. And now it's time to add our yummy ragi, which has been soaked overnight and boiled. After 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to add some water and cover it and cook for 10 minutes. It's done. So beautiful. Look at these colors. Oh my God. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. I'm going to garnish it with fried chili and some curry patta. Here we are, a perfect breakfast recipe to start your day with Health Unlimited.